Hey there everyone! Today I'm going to guide you through setting up your Cybersource profile hosted checkout integration method. So let's get started. Step 1. Log in to your Cybersource Business Center dashboard. Step 2. Create your hosted profile integration method. Navigate to the left side menu and go to Payment Configuration and then Secure Acceptance Settings. On the Secure Acceptance Settings page, find the New Profile button in the top right corner. Click on it to create your Cybersource hosted profile. Here you'll fill in the profile information, integration method, contact information, and additional services like payment tokenization and decision manager. Step 3. Set up your payment settings. Choose your card type, for instance, Visa, and configure Visa settings such as CVN display, CVN requirement, and currencies. Step 4. Set up your security keys, including the access key and secret key. These are crucial for securing your transactions. Step 5. Set up your payment form. Configure the payment flow, checkout steps, and order review sections to ensure a smooth customer experience. Step 6. Set up your notifications. Configure both merchant and customer notifications to keep everyone informed about transaction statuses. Step 7. Set up your customer response settings. Customize the transaction response page, response message, cancel response page, and redirect settings after checkout. Step 8. Set up your branding. Customize the header content, main body, total amount display, progress bar, pay finish button, and footer content to match your brand's look and feel. Step 9. Finally, click the Promote Profile button in the top right corner to activate your profile. And there you have it. Your Cybersource profile is now set up and ready to go. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. See you next time.